We live in a world defined by change. Some of it is steady, like filling a bathtub. That's linear. But the most powerful changes? A viral spread, a population boom, compound interest in your bank account. Don't just add, they multiply. This is the world of exponential functions, where the rate of change is proportional to the amount you already have. Picture the basic exponential graph. It has a signature look, a J-curve. It starts out flat, hovering just above the x-axis, a floor it gets infinitely close to but never touches. This is its horizontal asymptote. Every basic exponential graph passes through a universal anchor point at 0, 1, because any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. From there, it shoots upward, accelerating dramatically. The destiny of this curve is sealed by its base. If the base is greater than 1, like 2 or 1.05, you get that explosive growth. The graph rises steeply to the right. But if the base is a fraction between 0 and 1, like 1/2, you get the opposite, exponential decay. The graph falls from left to right, modeling things like radioactive half-life or a car's depreciating value. We can also manipulate these powerful curves. Adding a constant shifts the entire graph and its floor, up or down. Tweaking the exponent slides it left or right. A negative sign can flip it upside down or instantly turn a growth curve into a decay curve. Among all possible bases, one is special, Euler's number, E, a constant around 2.718. It's the gold standard of growth because for the function y equals e to the x, its rate of change is exactly equal to its current value. It's the natural language of growth itself, seen constantly in finance, physics, and engineering. Understanding this multiplicative power isn't just math, it's understanding the engine behind some of the most dynamic forces shaping our world.